Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video is another St. Patty's Day collab. This is the SAUCY St. Patty's Day collab. We are supposed to be enjoying a drink. We recognize that not everyone drinks, so we respect their decision, and we still wanted them to collab with us. I'm just really honored to be thought of to be a part of another amazing St. Patty's Day collab. I was gonna use the Mint to Be palette for this, but I kind of wanted to take a different approach and maybe create like a more rainbow inspired look, because I've done a lot of green recently. I really enjoy the color green, but I kind of want to change it up. So I'm thinking of maybe just doing a dedicated video to this down the line. It is highly requested. I kind of want to do a rainbow look because I did an all green look. I did like a leprechaun inspired look, and now I want to do a rainbow look for like the pot of gold, if that makes sense. This collab was organized by FabFitMama, and I'm going to read off the list of channels that we have in this collab. We have Alice, I Love Being a Grammy, Amanda Largo, Anja Imamovic, Becca's Beauty Channel, Bobby Loves Makeup, Just Alvarado, Confidence Plus, Jade Girl Beauty, Just Jessica, Candy Bosco, Kimberly L, Coda and Orion's Adventures, Laura Jane Loves Beauty, Elle Negs, Lynn Marie MUA, Makeup with Jessica Vargas, Mandy Miller Beauty, Mama Vapes Beauty, Abby's Beauty, Queen of Hearts, Rhonda Said, and Steak and Brush. I'm really honored to be collabing with these channels. Some of them I have previously collabed with, and some of them are new friends. And if you're visiting from any of their channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. I already have my foundation and eyes primed using products from my Project Pan. I'll link that video in case if you missed it, as well as my other St. Patty's Day collabs. Now, I did dip into Jawbreaker for one of the collabs, but I used it in combination with another palette. I just wanted to give Jawbreaker a little bit more love. I'm not enjoying anything really wild. I just have a Mike's Hard Lemonade. It's my drink of choice when it comes to tailgating for the Canes. Since the NHL is on pause right now, I have a lot of it. Nothing too crazy over here. I'm just gonna be cleaning off a lot of my brushes with my solid brush cleanser. I just want to quickly say before we jump into this look, I just really wanted to shout out and show my love and appreciation for the community that I'm a part of. Everyone has been super supportive during this time during COVID-19. While I'm not being affected directly health-wise, I think some of us are being impacted in different ways, whether it be a loved one or even some jobs are on the line, and that's kind of where I'm at, being financially impacted because of the events industry. There are events being canceled left and right, and it's taking an impact on whether or not the employees will get paid. That's something that we're dealing with right now, and it's very scary. I'm not really sure how to cope with it, so sorry if I seem off in this video or any videos moving forward this week. So I'm just trying to figure out some things personally, but it's been a really great way to escape to YouTube, talking with you guys, creating videos, being in messages with the other fellow creators, and just knowing that, you know, we're there for one another, while people that we would think in our day-to-day lives would be there for us as well, and they kind of just haven't been, and it's very disheartening. I almost backed out of this collab just from kind of being a potato, not really having much motivation. I felt like I really needed it just to get my mind off of things, just be able to push through it. So thank you during this hard time. I don't think there's like a good enough balance of reacting. I think there's people that aren't reacting, and then there's people that are panicking, buying necessities. I saw it firsthand in where I live. There's no toilet paper, cleaning supplies, paper towels, ground beef. Things are very sparse. The other thing that really concerns me is, you know, someone my age might not show symptoms, but I could have been exposed and could be unknowingly carrying it, being out and about, and I could have the possibility of spreading it to someone. That just freaks me out. So that's just something that kind of worries me. There are 30+ cases where I live. I just wanted to extend my thoughts and prayers to you guys. It's definitely a wild ride right now. I hope you and your families are safe and taking the appropriate precautions. Grab a drink, grab a snack. Let's create a look and get our mind off of things. We're gonna start this look off with bubblegum, and I'm gonna be placing bubblegum in the first third of my eye. I am packing it on and then doing a little bit of blending motions. I have created a similar look using some of Juvia's Place palettes. I really enjoy these 3-tone looks, even 2-tone looks are some of my favorite to create. I just enjoy how these colors blend and come together. Plus with spring coming around, I kind of want to create more springy looks. Even though I love the color green, I just have done so much green right now. Because we had Mardi Gras, 2 St. Patty's Day, and yes, this is a St. Patty's Day collab. I don't know. I'm almost burnt out on green, like how I'm burnt out on pink and purple looks. Next, we're gonna go into the shade Wow. One of my favorite YouTubers, SS Sniper Wolf, she always says wow. So I kind of started saying it, and it's probably not nearly as cool when I do it. There's a little bit of orange showing up when these two colors meet, but I might give the color orange its own dedicated placement in this look. I know, right? Orange, my favorite color. And now let's take Brain Freeze. It's almost like UNC blue. Yuck. I'm not really into college sports, but if I had to choose a Carolina team in the triangle, it would probably be NC State. And I specify the triangle. Now in North Carolina, hands down the WCU Catamounts. See, now these are like effortless pastels compared to the Morphe 35 eye palette, where I was like packing, just for them to blend away. And now I'm just gonna go back into each respective shade just to blend everything together. That way there's no harshness. My solid cleanser is starting to shed on me. That's when I should know that it's probably time to actually clean your brushes. I really hate cleaning brushes. I mean, it's so satisfying afterwards, but just cleaning them is such a pain. And then your back hurts after a while because of how many that you have. I have a little bit too much pink peeking over, but it's okay. It'll be all right. Let's go in with the shade Sour. I wasn't sure what shade to go in for on the lid, but this one just seems pretty. I guess I should have a little bit of green for a St. Patty's Day collab. I know every St. Patty's Day collab I'm like, comment below, what are you guys doing for St. Patty's Day? And now everything is canceled. So what are you guys doing quarantine? Are you guys binging any movies, TV shows, playing any video games? I will be working, and then when I'm home, because all the stuff that I usually do after work is canceled, so I will probably be focusing a lot on my channel. I'm gonna try to do some lives and then just sit back, relax, chit chat, and get our minds off things. I'm gonna add some eyeliner to my lid and waterline. Let's take Gumdrop to smoke the lower lash. And then let's take Orange Juice for the inner corner highlight. And I will spray some MAC Fix. I'm gonna add some Douche Mascara, ColourPop lipstick in the shade Hello Stranger, and then setting my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. So this is the final look. I'm really happy with like this pastel rainbow vibe we have going on. It reminds me of the Rainbow Marshmallow Lucky Charms. I guess this would have been better for the Magically Delicious St. Patty's Day collab that we did. But I'm just glad that all my St. Patty's inspired looks all were different. This one definitely is the most different because it's a rainbow instead of focusing on the color green. And I would love to know if you guys have this Jawbreaker palette, what are some of your favorite color combinations that you like to use? And even though that this palette has been out for some time now, would you guys still be interested in seeing a dedicated video to it? Mint is one of my favorite colors, and I don't mean to keep pushing it off. It just kind of happens, you know? But I would be more than happy to play around with this palette. It's just so gorgeous, and I hate neglecting it, but I have so many other monochromatic palettes from ColourPop that I still haven't used yet. And don't forget to check out everyone else's looks. I know I can't wait to see them. And thanks again to FabFitMama for inviting me to collab. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.